Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good afternoon. Welcome to Pakistani American News Channel. Kaisar Mustafa Bhutta from New York. Donald J. Trump's life is a tale of ambition, reinvention, and resilience. Born on June 14, 1946 in Queens, New York. He was the fourth of 5 children in a family deeply rooted in the real estate business, inspired by his father, Fred Trump, who was a successful developer. Donald joined the family business after graduating from the Wharton School of the University of Pennsylvania in 1968. By the 1980s, he became a defining figure in the Manhattan skyline, building iconic properties like Trump Tower, and later expanded his brand globally to include hotels, golf courses, and entertainment ventures. Trump's large-than-life persona catapulted him into mainstream culture, from best-selling books like The Art of the Deal to hosting the hit reality TV show The Apprentice, where his famous catchphrase, "You are fired," became part of pop culture. Yet, it was his unexpected entry into politics that truly transformed him into a global figure. Campaigning on a platform of populism, nationalism, and economic revitalization, he defied the odds to become the 45th President of the United States in 2016. His presidency focused on tax reform, deregulation, a robust America First agenda, and reshaping international trade deals. Though his time in office sparked intense debates and polarized opinions, Trump has consistently showcased his ability to connect with millions of Americans who admire his boldness and determination. Beyond politics, his life is a testament to reinvention, whether in business, media, or leadership. Donald Trump remains a towering figure in American culture, embodying both the ambition and controversies of his era. Love him or not, his life story continues to shape the narrative of the modern American dream. Thank you for watching Pakistani American News Channel.